back. Sunday, May 22nd, it's Cruise Night 2022.
Celebrating 39 years of car cruising fun right here in Cortland, and this year, Jake and Elwood, the Blues Brothers of Sunshine Arc, will be performing live at Cortland.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're sure glad to be here in Kokomo tonight. We're the good old Blues Brothers, boys, band from Chicago.
If you remember the very first cruise night way back in 1983, remember all those people lining the roads and waving, all the cars that parked in the Great American parking lot by the Port Washington Street Bridge, chairs lined up, people waving? The cruising event will be the biggest, the best, and the most exciting cruise show we've had in 39 years. You're invited, rain or shine. The cars meet in Marathon at 1 o'clock at Lovell Field. 2 p.m. the car cruise heads to Cortland. This event only happens once a year. Get your car, the family, young and old alike. We're cruising the Court Lanes Bowling Center on Tompkins Street where they'll line them up and show them off. All cool cars are invited. Register for door prizes in Marathon. Win the door prizes at Cortland. It's the only car show that moves. Presented by the CNY Mustang and All Ford Club.